question, what does the palace think of reports na yung Chinese vessels have been dumping human waste and sewage in our reefs and that these concerns anchored Chinese ships?
The responsible answer is we're verifying first. We will react if it's been verified.
Sir, is the government convinced with the Chinese embassy's explanation na it was an old photo taken in Australia?
We have to accord our neighbors and our friends the presumption of good faith when they say something about an issue of fact. So we accord that statement the presumption of good faith.
Sir, what do you think of yung sentiments na the administration is being very careful about not hurting China when it comes to statements, when it comes to reacting to situations like this, na kumbaga kung iba ang gagawa nito sa atin, magagalit tayo?
Hindi po, responsable lang po tayo kasi dapat i-verify muna bago magputak. Nung na-verify naman po natin na nag-export ng basura ang Canada sa atin, pinabalik natin ang basura natin sa Canada. No ifs, no buts. So matagal na po tayo naninindigan na hindi basurahan at syempre hindi kubeta ang Pilipinas. Tignan muna natin kung merong katotohanan dahil kung wala naman, tayo mapapahiya.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.